Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be reviewing again another BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This time I have with me the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette. It has 35 colorful and really bold colors. It's just an amazing palette. I haven't tried it yet. I've got it maybe like a week ago or so. So you take the sleeve, and here it's the actually palette. It's really colorful as well, the eyeshadows that it has, and it's made out of cardboard, and it has like this magnetic opening. And here are the colors. As you can see, you have like pretty pinks, some red shades, you have like oranges and yellows, greens, blues and purples, and here you have two whites and a black shadow. Also it comes with a mirror. So if you go now to BH Cosmetics website, you will find it 20% off. That means from $20 you will get it for $16. Mine, I've got it for 20 euros. So now before we jump into swatches, I will say I'll just put some makeup on. I will do a small tutorial for you using some shades from this palette, and at the end of the video you will have some swatches and my opinion on this palette. So if you want to know what look I'm going to be doing, then please keep on watching.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
So now, as you can see, I have my face on, and I will go straight into creating nice eye makeup using the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. And I will take first a fluffy brush, this one by BH Cosmetics, the number 5, and I think I'll go in with this first shade. Let's see how it's going to be applied. So my first impression right now is that the colors are quite pigmented. I've only had like a tiny amount from the product into my brush, and I can already see the shade. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but here on the mirror I can clearly see the difference. But I'm going just to take a bit more and apply that here to my crease and blend it upwards to my brow bone. Now with the same brush I'll take this kind of orangey shade and I'll apply it here on my crease as well, here on the outer and inner part of my lid. And as far as I can tell, the colors seem to be really pigmented. I haven't used any eyeshadow primer, I just have the concealer on my lid, and the colors blend really nice. And as I said, they're quite pigmented. Yeah, so that is nice. Now moving on, I think I'll take this kind of red shade and I'll apply that with a flat brush. This one also by BH Cosmetics. Now taking again a fluffy brush, I'll go in with the first shade that I've used and I'll blend everything together here on my crease so that there won't be any harsh lines. Now with a flat brush, I'll take, I'll take this shade from here and I'll apply it here on the middle section of my eyelid. Now again with a flat brush, I will take this shade from here, this beautiful blue, and I'll apply it on my lower lash line. And right under I'll use this purple. And now to complete my look, I'll use some false lashes. This one's by Ardell in the number 113. And this is the final look that I came up with using this eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics, the Take Me Back to Brazil. I'm really happy that I've got the chance and getting this palette. I think the colors are really beautiful, really blendable and crazy pigmented. The light shades are also very pigmented. I haven't used any eyeshadow primer on my lid, and the shadows came really nice. The blended really easy. Overall, I'm really happy with this palette, and actually with every palette that I own from BH Cosmetics. I believe they're a pretty nice makeup brand and quite affordable. As I promised, I will swatch the shades for you guys, but overall this is the video for today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done already, then subscribe to my channel. It will really help me, and as always I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.